In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery inside of this Mazda key fob. So first of all, you'll put the key fob just like this, and you'll notice a small slot here. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver like this one. You can also use a bigger one. You need to insert it inside and then turn it. This way the case will open in two separate pieces and reveal the battery. In this case, it's a CR2025 3 volts battery. Take your flathead screwdriver again, and to remove this battery it's quite easy. You just need to insert it under it and it will pop out really by itself. So you take it, you have a new one. Don't forget, put the positive side facing up. To insert it, you place it and then you just push it back. Just like that. Great. So now the only thing left to do is to clip back the case. Be sure it's all clipped so there's no water or other debris that can go inside, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give us a like if this helped you.